Hello guys, welcome to the Bio World. Today we will discuss about a very important topic that is immunity. Immunity. We all want to boost our immunity and we have some questions around it like what is immunity and why we need immunity. First of all, why we need immunity? It's a very important question. What does immunity do? Our body have a complete immune system which fight against pathogens, viruses, because we all know that in our nature there are so many bacteria, viruses, and fungi present. So we need to defend our body from them. So, what are the types of immunities which we get? First of all is innate immunity and second one is acquired immunity. We will discuss about both of them in upcoming video. So innate immunity is the immunity which we get from our ancestor or which already in our body. It is the immunity which we get all which is present already in our body and we just transmit it from one generation to another. All animals have immunity, and our body, blood, skin, every part, every cell have a function to defend against it, against pathogens. Cytokine barriers are the first wall which defend. It is the first layer of our body and it defend against all the pathogens and bacteria and help us to fight against them. What immunity contains? As it's a very basic question, the immunity is just a term, and it is so large that it's deep. And immunity is all about the defense of our body by the T cell and the B cell. Yeah, there are two cells in our body. First one is T cell. T cells are like the detectives on the messengers or communicators, while B cells are the real soldiers of our body. B cells produce a power of army which fight against all the pathogens or bacteria, or we can say them as a germ. So they fight against them, while T cells help them. B cells produce a much more great army to fight with all bacteria and kill them. Here is the very beautiful picture that how we can memorize. So T cell have a basic structure like a rod, a funnel, like a funnel, and here is the anti-binding sites and antigen. It's all about the chemistry of this, and then we have some types of T cells. Yes, T cells are further described in so many cells like T helper cell. T helper cell are the helper cell, like they help B cells to fight against pathogens, and they sometimes becomes active killer. Now, what is the immunity? We get our answer, but how we describe the immunity in two parts: active immunity and passive immunity. Active immunity is the immunity which is so active as its name, so it defend against pathogens and it fight against them immediately. They attack by use they are attacked on the bacterias and it was intersected by it just injected in our body by the doctors and the prescribed medications. While passive immunity is the immunity which is already present in our body and which we get after we suffered from our disease and cured, then our body made some of the antigens to defend against those bacteria in future. Vaccination is a complete process to get immunized against particular bacteria or viruses which was caused in our past and may cause in future. So we immunize our body and vaccinize it. Immunization is also a same process like vaccination. The major one is immunization is passing off of T cell, B cell by giving medicines to enhance or boost the capability of our immune system. Immune system of a body is so large that it diversifies. We have so many organs and cells which produce B cells and fight against all that pathogens. We always under fight. We always under fight, and some of the organs and the tissues are like thymus, bone marrow, lymphocytes, spleen, and so on. They are like our body is complete a machine gun. So here is the immune system's for complete structure, and we get so many things. The major one is our skin, that is the first layer of our body, and we can say as a borderline of our body, which first interact with the virus and fight against it. Now, as we learned so many things, so let's take a test of all of you. So first question, like true or false, only invertebrates have specific immune response? True or false? Second question is, dash mature in plasma cell that secrete protein called antibodies. Third one is vaccination lead to the production of dash B and T cells. You can comment in the description box and give them all right answers in my video. Thanks for watching my video. Do like and subscribe this video, and don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks.